create our own data and then match with, make a relationship with the finance data. So in order to create a new data, you have to go to the ribbon, look for enter data, click enter data, and you'll see a dial box coming, create column. All we want to do is to type something you want to add, like product and product category. So I'm going to have product details and then click the plus sign so you can have more columns. Product category, and you can have product, any product you want, product 1, product 2, enter product 3, product 4, etc. So and the category you can have is category A, category category B, category C, category D. So this is the data that you're creating. So once you create it, just click load. It will automatically load it. It's loading the data. So once you load the data, you can see on your data table, you have created the table, which is your product and product category. Okay, now what we are going to do, going to go to the model view, and then you see your financial model, sheet model, and your table here. So what we are going to do is to manage relationship. One of the concept we are going to do in Power BI is to manage relationships or give some relationship between two different data sets. So what you can do with the table, I'm going to either connect my manufacturing price with the product. So all we can do, it's easy to connect with that because Power BI will give you the easy access to do it. So all you have to do is click any one of your financial item. I'm taking the manufacturing price and connecting it with the product. So it does, it gives a new relationship. And if you look at the bottom one, which is your most important thing, you have two elements, cardinality and cross filter direction. What cardinality is giving, it has a four choices, right? It refers to the number of elements of unique items within a set representing its total size. That's what it does. So whether you're going to have one to many, one to one, one to many to one, or many to many kind of cardinality. And your cross filter, it's nothing but where you are going to have one way or two way. Is it going to be manufacturing price? If you change anything on your manufacturing price, will it affect your product? Or if you change your product, will it affect your manufacturing price? So I'm going to select single for this time being, and this gives you the relationship of these two elements. And click save, and that's how you do your second activity.